Good morning. Today I am here to give presentation on fringe width. As in shown in figure, let A is the point on the screen and OP is the perpendicular bisector of S1 S2, and also suppose S1 S2 is D, OA is D, AP is Y, and angle AOP is theta. And to measure the part difference, draw a perpendicular S1M on S2P from S1. Part difference R2 minus R1 is equals to S2P minus S1P is equals to S2M. Now alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree, and now in this theta plus alpha is also 90 degree. So on comparing, alpha plus beta is equals to theta plus alpha, therefore beta is equals to theta, so therefore beta is equals to theta, and these both angle are theta. And now in triangle S1 S2M, it is a right angle triangle S1 S2M. In this angle M is equals to 90 degree. Sin theta is equals to side opposite by hypotenuse, that is S2M divided by S1 S2, S2M divided by S1 S2. Sin theta is equals to R2 minus R1 divided by D. R2 minus R1 is equals to D sin theta. This is our equation 1. And now in triangle OPA, tan theta is equals to side opposite by side adjacent, that is AP divided by OA. Tan theta is equals to Y upon D. Sin theta is approximately equal to tangent theta. So from equation 1, R2 minus R1 is equals to D tan theta. Therefore R2 minus R1 is equals to D Y upon D. This is our expression for fringe width. Now we will find the position of bright band. Bright band result due to the constructive interference. So the part difference is equals to n lambda. N is equals to 0, 1, 2. The central band position n is equals to 0, therefore y naught is 0. And for first band n is equals to 1, therefore y is equals to lambda d upon d. And for second band y is equals to 2 lambda d upon d. Now for the position of dark band, and dark band result due to the constructive interference, and for destructive interference, part difference is 2n minus 1 in lambda by 2. So yd upon d is equals to 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Y is equals to 2n minus 1 into lambda d upon में 2. Here n is equals to 1, 2 and 3. Position for first band, that is lambda d upon 2d. When position for second band, when n is equals to 2, y is equals to 3 lambda d upon 2d. Now fringe width. What is fringe width? It is the distance between two consecutive bright band and two consecutive dark band. For bright band, b is equals to yn minus yn minus 1 is equals to n lambda d upon d minus n minus 1 into lambda d upon d n minus n plus 1. This will cancel out, that is lambda d upon d. And now fringe width for dark band, beta is equals to yn dash minus yn dash minus 1, that is 2n minus 1 into lambda d upon 2d minus 2n minus 3 into lambda d upon 2d. Lambda d upon 2d common, 2n minus 1 minus 2n plus 3 is equals to lambda d upon 2d. 2n and 2n cancel out. It will into 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. That is lambda d upon d. Thank you.